So we are going to show you how to put together the Coca-Cola tower. It comes in kitted like this with all the pieces. There's quite a few pieces that are pre-glued. They have these small plastic clips which enable the shelves to hold the heavy weight of a soft drink bottle versus the chips like we've been used to. So it's a much more robust tower meant to hold the soft drink bottles that we've been testing here for several weeks already. So you're going to take this first flat piece, the flaps into what is the back and kind of the main frame of the display. So our designer Kevin is doing this for us today, being our Vanna White. And on the side here, the side flaps roll over the front roll over. This is what you have now at this point. Take a rolled tube, fold it just like that into a figure 8, fold in the tabs. All that does is hold it together and saves having to use tape. And that goes in the bottom. That raises the product soft drink bottles up off the floor and gives a stronger base as well. Now we put in the shelf. We're going to do this twice, and these are pre-glued. You have this get a better angle on it. You can see how the flap comes out the back like this, and then tabs back in as a safety, kind of a double safety that we have built into it. And then the actual shelves themselves, see these plastic clips? The shelf itself has a receiver, and the base of the display has I should say the base actually has the receiver, and the shelf has the part that slides in. You'll do that on both sides. That's one shelf. Then you'll repeat that for what ends up being the third shelf. If you got the bottom, first shelf, second actual separate shelf, push it through the back, the safety back in, and then slide both of the side clips in. Very intuitive. You can see once it's in place, it's very strong. And then last of all is the top of the display. And this is a unique, different part. Several layers of corrugated. On this top piece, it's actually double wall corrugated that we've ended up using to hold this in place and give strength in case there's bottles put on top of the display as well. Fold these over, and then this wraps around. And that's it. And that folds into the display. There's two of them. Sorry, it's our design room here. It's not quite organized. We'll have a better video made when we bring this out for Cinco de Mayo next year. But this is what the display will look like. The bottles sit like on the top section there. All right, thanks.